I received this product for you to try, but I'm so excited to use those seam guides. Here are my two sewing machines. Starting from the smaller one, I even have a color that's gonna match my machine. So here are the magnets, and the seam guide goes just like that. And I really like very thin seams, so this is usually the size I go for. And because this doesn't have any markings, it will be a perfect solution for that. On my bigger machine, it will go just like this here. And I have more metal space here to move it up or down. I think it's great for my machines.